To understand where the name Yahweh really came from, we have to go back before Israel to Canaan and to a god named Baal. In ancient Ugaritic texts older than the Bible, Baal is the storm god, the rider on the clouds, the one who defeats chaos and brings rain. But he wasn't the highest god, he was belonging to a pantheon of gods. The highest god, well, that title belonged to El, the father of the gods. Sound familiar? In early Israelite religion, El was often used interchangeably with the God of Israel. In some texts, Yahweh and El are merged, and Yahweh takes over Baal's language and role.